So here we created a dog run, real simply. We put earth anchors in the ground. They're 15-inch earth anchors. And then we have the dog leashed up on a tow rope. And to attach it, we just used a metal ring. I'll show you here. And we used a nylon, braided nylon cord for the line across the ground. I probably didn't need to, but I put a turnbuckle on this side. And then I just carabinered it to the earth anchor. For the rope, just a simple figure 8 knot. And it gives the dog about an acre of freedom. This isn't our dog, but when people come over with dogs, now we have a place to put them so they don't run into the road. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps someone. Bye. I forgot to mention that we put the earth anchors beneath the surface of the ground so that it's not affected by the mower at all. And then we can unclip it and wrap up the rope once we're all done with it. So it won't really even be noticeable.
And now he's living the life of Riley.